Welcome to all. Now we are going to start overhanging beams. Overhanging beams. I think previous class question was 67, 66, now it is 67. I started. Okay. Now, marathon for overhanging beams. I will start from simple questions, then go for a little more loading. 67. See, one side overhang. Supports are AB. I always take support AB. Free end name you write, whatever you want. 60 kilonewton, 80 kilonewton, one more load here. Actually, one load sufficient. That will be two loads. So I can save time for single load. Five meter, 3 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Little out of scale. Don't bother about scale. Answer. I won't put ABCD now. See, ink problem. Okay. So, just a minute. I put a little more ink, so it is spreading like anything. Okay. Starting only problem. VA, VB. These are supports. I won't write AB also now because supports are known for you. Plus 208 kilonewton. AB equal to, I won't write ABCD here because why waste time? To loading also I won't write now onwards. You write the loading once again. I will show only reaction. 208 kilonewton minus 180 minus 60. 32 kilonewton. See, I have marked upwards. I think you will get both positive. Checking answer. Plus 80 into 3 minus 180 divided by 5. Perfectly correct. Question 68. I will still maintain right side overhang. Something will happen now, see. 40 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton. Not 40, it's higher value. 80 kilonewton for some reason. AB. This is same as last time. This is 3 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 2 meter. I take 5 or 7 meter only for one purpose, so that decimals are avoided. That's all. You take, actually when you solve a question, write whatever is there. I won't show the loading now. Actually, no. This time I know that your reaction VA will come down. I know it. So you take upwards VA. After solving, your negative sign will come. So then you can make out VB. I am sure that VA will come negative. 3 plus 80 into 8 divided by 5. 134 kilonewton. 134 kilonewton. 44 kilonewton. I check the answer. Yes, correct. Question number 69. I'll put a unique case here. Same right side overhang with point load. $50 kilonewton. 2 meter, 100. 4 meter, 1 meter and another 1 meter from here. 1 minute, 15 to is 100. I want 100 total. If I 100 total, 20 into 360, okay. 20 kilonewton, 20 into 480, again 20 kilonewton. Answer. I know the answer. 2, 3, 15 into 6, 90. No, something wrong. 15 into 100. I want to opposite 100 here. 20 into 1 is 20. 20, no, not 20. 25 kilonewton. Not 25. This actually is a 4 meter, 3 meter. 3 meter means I will put 30 kilonewton. Okay. Some reason is there. 10 kilonewton. So that I set this question for, this question is set so that your VA will come 0. I set the question. Okay, check it. Plus 10 into 3 plus 50 into 6 divided by 4. 90, yes. VB equal to 90 kilonewton. Question is set for that purpose. Okay. These are 3 questions for point load where the beam has got right overhang. Now I will go to left overhang. Next round. Just a minute. Check the camera. Okay, no problem. '67, '68, '69, '70. Subject I will not forget. Numbers I always, very easily I forget numbers. 90 or 70. 70, just now I forgot now. Question 70, question 71, little closer, question 72, little more, question 73. More questions I will solve. 73, okay. Question 70, left overhang. Sorry. Question 70 is still right overhang with only point load in the overhang. 50 kilonewton over. This is 4 meter. This is 2 meter. Answer I will give here only. Calculator not required. 50 into 100, 25. Okay, got it. I don't have to solve it because by looking only you can tell the reaction. But you solve by usual procedure. Your VA will come down, VB will come up. ABC I will write here, AB. 52 100 by 25, 25 kilonewton, 75 kilonewton. 15 into 6 divided by 4. 15 into 6 divided by 4 is 75, guaranteed. 15 into 6 divided by 4. Okay. Actually, checking is not required. 15 into 6 divided by 4. 75. Okay. Now, I will go for left overhang. All simply supported beams. 1 point load here. 1 more point load here. 1 point load here. 30 kilonewton. 40 kilonewton. 80 kilonewton. 5 meter, 2 meter, this is 3 meter, and this load is at 2 meter from here. This is 2 meter. See, support is slightly this side, 2 meter from here. Okay. Reaction. AB. A is here, B. I always take support AB. Actually, when you solve a question, any symbol can come. 80 into 2. Plus 40 into 6 plus 30 into 8 divided by 5. VA 128 kilonewton. VB minus 80 minus 40 minus 30. 22 kilonewton. I'll check the answer. 80 into 3 minus 30 into 3 minus 40 into 1 divided by 5. Correct. Perfectly correct. Question 27. I'll put a load here. I'll put W now, 2W in terms of W. Here, 3W. This is 2L, this is L, this is L. Okay. In terms of WL, I will give question, answer. AB. See, anywhere, anytime, question can be given in terms of W also, be careful. Then you solve in terms of W, L will cancel here. Because if it is UDL, it will come in terms of L. Anyway, you solve the question by substituting the equation. VB, VA. I know both are going upwards. You have got guarantee for that one. 3 plus 2 into 3 divided by 2. 4.5 W or 9 by 2 W. 9 by 2 W minus 5 is W by 2. Check the answer. If I take moment about this point, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1, 1 divided by 1. No. 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 divided by 2. Oh, it's correct. Yeah, I'm checking, I don't know. Okay. 73. Left overhang. Here 2 point loads. Here a point load. This is 100 kilonewton, 10 kilonewton and 16 kilonewton. This is 4 meter. This is 6 meter. This is 1 meter. This is 5 remaining, 3 meter. Okay. Out of scale, no problem. Answer. AB. Three plus 16 into 5 minus 100 into 4 divided by 6. 48.333. This reaction is downward. Negative will come here. Your VB will come downward. 48.333 kilonewton, and VA will come minus 100 minus 10 minus 16. 174.333 kilonewton. I check the answer. 16 into 1 plus 10 into 3 plus 100 into 10 divided by 6. Perfectly correct. Okay. Now, 70, 71, 72, 73 over. Next 74. Next 74. I'll go for double side overhang with point load. Then I'll go for other combination, point load, UDL, etc. Question 74, question 75, question 76. See, all three are identical questions, but some changes will come. AB, AB, AB. Here I will put a point load here. 10 kilonewton, 10 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton, 30 kilonewton, 3 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter. This is 3 meter. Answer. I'll give the answer and then go to that question. I know both reactions will come up. I am 100% sure. So, 30 into 3 plus 20 into 12 minus 30 divided by 8. 37.5 kilonewton minus 20 minus 40. 22.5 kilonewton. But I am checking the answer. 30 into 5 plus 10 into 11 minus 20 into 4 divided by 8. Perfectly correct. Here, 40 kilonewton. Here also 40 kilonewton. Here, 2 point loads of 60 kilonewton and 60 kilonewton. Something you observe here, it is symmetrical case. 4 meter, 3 meter, out of scale, 3 meter. These two are at 1 meter and 1 meter. Now no calculator, nothing, because why? Symmetrical loading. Directly VA, VB, 90 kilonewton and 90 kilonewton. Both are 90 kilonewton. VA 90, VB 90, correct. No, not 90. 100 kilonewton. Oh, sorry, I'm adding mistake. 100 kilonewton. Yes, I added wrong addition. Okay. 100 kilonewton. It happens sometimes. 100 kilonewton. Okay. Now here, 3 meter, 5 meter, 2 meter. Point load of 10 kilonewton. Point load of 20 kilonewton at 2 meter from here, and here a point load of 100 kilonewton. 100 kilonewton, this is 10 kilonewton. Be careful. Answer. This question is set so that my VB will come negative. I have set the question so that VB will come downward. You take upwards. When you solve, negative sign will come. Okay. 20 into 2 plus 10 into 7 minus 300 divided by 5. 38 kilonewton VB. Down 38. Down 38 kilonewton. 38 plus 30 plus 100. 168 kilonewton. In one of the earlier questions, where negative reaction came, I got in doubt now. Did I took the minus sign or not? I'll check the answer later. Okay, if wrong, I told human nature sometimes, but I'll check this answer first. 20 into 3 plus 100 into 8 minus 20 divided by 5. 168, correct. See, by chance, if any mistake is there, I will announce it in the description. Always do one thing. Whenever answer is not tallying, you put a comment and then immediately go to description. 74, 75, 76. Next, 77. Question 77. Where I got negative, I got right side negative. Now I'll set the question for negative reaction left side. AB. 50 kilonewton, 10 kilonewton, and 12 kilonewton. 3 meter, 4 meter, 10 meter. This is at 3 meter. Answer. 12 into 7, 7. plus 50 into 13 minus 10 into 4 divided by 10. 69.4. No. I'm still getting positive. I want negative reaction. I will make it 80 kilonewton. To make it negative reaction. Okay. Moment. Oh, actually correct actually. Okay. Took long distances. Okay, no problem. 12 into 7 plus 80 into 13 and 10 into 4 divided by 10. 108.4 kilonewton. VB 108.4 kilonewton and VA will come negative, downward reaction, VA 22 plus 80, 102 minus 108.4 is 6.4 kilonewton. I check the answer. 12 into 3 plus 10 into 14 minus 240 divided by 10. Correct. Question number 78. Now I am changing over to UDL. 3 questions I will write here, 78. These are all questions already over earlier. So the briefly I will give. Question 79, question 80. These are all over earlier. See, I told you what is going on here. This everything was discussed earlier. All 3 right overhang, out of scale, 4 meter and 2 meter. Three meter and 3 meter. 2 meter and 3 meter. As usual, AB. These all cases we considered earlier, if you remember. Everywhere UDL. $30 kN per meter, 20 kN per meter, 10 kN per meter. I am not calculating. See, I wrote direct answer. That I will calculate. I know VA will come down and VB will come up. Question is set that way. See, question is set for that reason. So that's why this I don't have to calculate. Illi 30 into 6 into 3 divided by 4. 30 into 6 divided by 4. 135 kilonewton. $45 kilonewton. Check the answer. Oh, correct. Here. $62.5 kilonewton. $12.5 kilonewton. Perfectly correct. Okay, I don't think. Next is 81. Next 81. Okay, I'll rub the board. previously 3 questions. I set the question so that it was having right overhang, one question both positive or both upward, one question 0 came, one question down came. Now same question, I reversed it. So there is nothing there. I already wrote the answer. See, these 3 questions solved. Now 81, 82, 83, 84, 84, 85, 86. Now I am changing the pattern. Now double overhang. Again, 3 questions will be there. With the UDL, AB, okay, some distance required, 2 meter, 5 meter, 3 meter, 12 kilonewton per meter. Somebody is disturbing from outside. I am so sure that both will come upwards. Be careful, this question correctly solved. When you take moment, that side UDL will create clockwise, this anti-clockwise, everything is told. What way I solved earlier, solve it. 12 into square divided by 2 minus divided by 5. 72 kilonewton. 48 kilonewton. I'll check the answer. Perfectly correct. Now this question, 2 questions I will solve here, where and see here, right overhang is bigger, left overhang is bigger. I will tell you what is the purpose of this question here. Double side overhang, okay. Double side overhang, no problem. Here, this distance is 2 meter. This is 4 meter. This is 7 meter. This is all imagination. This is 5 meter. This is just 1 meter. This is 8 meter. There is a purpose for all this. See, I want one reaction negative, one reaction positive. AB, AB, AB. UDL of 20 kN per meter. UDL of 40 kN per meter. Answer. I am so sure this time VA will come negative. VB will come positive. This question, VA will come positive, VB will come negative. I am sure about it. Twenty into n unknown. Square divided by 2. 20 into 2 divided by 4. 292.5 kilonewton. 20 into 13 is 260 minus 292.5. 32.5. Check the answer. Perfectly correct. Here, 40 into 6 square divided by 2 minus 40 into 8 square divided by 5. 112 kilonewton down. Here, 40 into 14 plus 112. 672 kilonewton. I check the answer. Perfectly correct. Okay, now one extra question I'll put here now. One extra question I forgot to give. Very easy. A, B. Symmetrical loading, double overhang. This is for any length, 7 meter, 3 meter and 3 meter. 8 kilonewton per meter. For this your answer is, I'll put the answer here. Answer, I will write here, VA will be upwards and VB also will be upwards, equal to 7, 3, 10, 13. 8 into 13 divided by 2. That's all. 52 kilonewton. 52 kilonewton. Okay. Question number. This is question number 87. Next, 88. Now I am going for combination of loads. Not much. Question 88. (20 kilonewton), 6 kilonewton per meter, 3 meter, 8 meter. A, B. VB 51.5 kilonewton. VA 16.5 kilonewton. I check the answer. Correct. 89. I will go for left overhang. This time I will put UDL in the overhang and one point load here. See, all are simple question. 20 kN per meter and 200 kilonewton. This overhang is 4 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 3 meter. I am again sure both will come upwards. This ABCD I forgot right. AB. (48 kilonewton). 232 kilonewton. But answer has to be checked. 7. Correct. Question 90. Next is 91. I will make a note here because I am taking a small break now. Next, question 91. Double overhang. UDL here. UDL here. Okay, full UDL. Okay. No, different UDL. Okay, same UDL. Okay. Why complication? Full UDL with one point load here, one point load here, one point load here. 3 meter, 10 meter, 2 meter. 50 kilonewton, 60 kilonewton, 40 kilonewton. 8 kilonewton per meter. A, B. Again, I am sure both are positive. I am sure about it. VA equal to VB equal to. Distance not given. This is 4 meter. 4 plus 40 into 12 minus 15 into 3 plus 8 into 111 kilonewton. 111 kilonewton. Other reaction minus 40 minus 110 minus 8 into 15. 159 kilonewton. But I will check the answer. 60 into 6 plus 50 into 13 plus 8 into minus 40 into 2 minus 8 into 2 into 1. Perfectly correct. Next is 91. I will prepare. Now do one thing. Next few questions, to save the time, I will put directly question answer. Because I don't have to show you that I can do in front of you. People are knowing it. So far I calculate to give you confidence. You should know how fast you can find the reaction. Now, to save the time, next round I will prepare some questions with answer. Then only I will show you it. So, time will be saved. Okay, I prepared some 6 questions. Solve all these extra questions. Now, I will change the pattern. Okay, 96 over 97. Okay. Now onwards, little careful. I will not give too much more questions. See, once you solve all these questions and get the answer, that means you got a very good command. I cannot solve question once if point load is here, next question point load is there. That way not possible. Okay. Question 97. Then question 98. Question 99. What I will do is, see. Right overhang, left overhang, double side overhang. Okay. Here, uniformly varying load and a point load, 60 kilonewton per meter and 40 kilonewton, 5 meter and 2 meter. AB. Here, uniformly varying load of this type. This is 90 kilonewton per meter. And here UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter. This distance is 4 meter and 5 meter, okay, 6 meter. Then I'll make it 30 kilonewton per meter, so that a fraction will not come. But here, uniformly varying load here, a point load here, and a UDL here of 12 kilonewton per meter. AB, I forgot to write AB here, A here, B here. AB, point load of 40 kilonewton, UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter. Distances are, this is 5 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter. Answer. All these questions, reaction will come positive, so negative will not come. Into 5. 60 into 2.5 into 2 by 3 of 5 plus 40 into 7 divided by 5. 156 kilonewton here. This reaction is VB 156 kilonewton, VA minus 30 into 5 minus 40, 34 kilonewton VA. But I'll check the answer. Half into 5 into 60 into 1 by 3 of 5 minus 80 divided by 5. Perfectly correct. Here 90 into 3 into 2 minus 30 into 4 into 2 divided by 6. 50 kilonewton VB. Minus 90 into 3 minus 30 into 4. VA 340 kilonewton. Answer to be checked. 90 into 3 into 4 plus 30 into 4 into 8 divided by 6. No, wrong. 90 into 3 into 4 plus 120 into 8 divided by 6. 340, correct. Here. 30 into 2 by 3 of 5 plus 10 into 2 into 6 minus 120 divided by 5. 20 kilonewton. See, I am not getting confused for sign convention solve. If it is downward, I will be knowing it is coming downward. 20. 6 into 5 plus 20 plus 40. Subtract 20. 70 kilonewton VA. Now check the answer. 30 into 5 by 3 plus 40 into 5 plus 3, 8 minus 20 divided by 5. 70. Perfectly correct. See, once the reaction is confirmed, there is no chance of any mistake then. Now, question is 99 over next 100. Okay, remember. Now, little more, not too much more, few more questions. One important question is solved. Very carefully solve. So now, one typical question is solved, important for UVL, important question 100. This all I told how to solve. Question 101, question 102. Something special. Okay, see now. What I will do is, I will put this wave overhang and put uniformly varying load like this. For a full span, little carefully solve it. AB. This is 5 meter. This is 3 meter. 12 kN per meter. Next question I'll do. Left side overhang. Instead of going this way, I'll put this way now. Same way, but moment, see here when you take moment about A, full triangle will come. But when you take moment about A, you have to split it. Or you have to apply the trick I told earlier. 60 kN per meter. 4 meter and 2 meter. Okay, AB. AB. Next I will take one more question. Double overhang. 2 meter, 10 meter and 3 meter. Full UVL like this. This is very important question. Sometimes this is 90 kilonewton per meter. AB. I will give answer for all. Answer. I am so sure this time I have to be very full. I am more into, okay, 1 minute. Negative can come sometimes. See, 12 into 4 into bracket, 12 into 4 into 2 by 3 of 8 divided by 5. 51.2 kilonewton VB. And this reaction is 12 into 4 is 48. VA will come negative. VA will come down. 3.2 kilonewton. I'll just check the answer. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. into 8 is 5.3333. So 0.333 minus 5 is 0.333. 12 into 4, 48 into 48 divided by 5. 3.2, correct, here. Half into 6 into 60 into 1 by 3 of 6 divided by 4. 90 kilonewton VA. VB minus 60 into more. This is also 90 kilonewton. Okay? I think both equal. Okay, it can come equal. 1 minute, no? 2. Yes, coincidence. These both came equal by coincidence. That's all. 6 means 2 plus 4, 2 plus another 2 here. Yes, okay, done. Here. Half into 15 into 90 into 2 by 3 of 15. Half into, anything wrong there? Just 1 minute. Correct condition. Half into 15 into 90 into bracket 12 minus 2 by 3 of 15 divided by 10. 135 kilonewton VB. I check the answer. Minus 90 into 15 divided by 2. VA 540 kilonewton. I think I'm feeling something wrong. 1 nimisha. Something wrong. 90 into 15 divided by 2 is total is 8675 kilonewton. 10 is 8. So 675 into 8 divided by 10. 540 kilonewton here. See, something went wrong. 540 kilonewton. 135 kilonewton VA. Once again, I'll check the answer. It is 10 plus 3, 15. 15 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 90, 675. 675 into 2 divided by 10. 135, correct. Now, little more questions. I'll give with the couples 102 over. Next 103. That's all. I'm closing now. 103, 104, 105. That's all. Last 3 questions. Sufficient. If anything else required, when we do SFD, BMD, I will do it. And in the notes, when I am free, I will write much more questions for you to solve. 103. Question 103. Question 104. Or last 3 questions. Next class onwards, cantilever. Okay. $100 kilonewton meter, 50 kilonewton, and 25 kilonewton meter. 2 meter and 6 meter. 6 means it will become 75, okay. Into 50 make it 60 kilonewton, so that decimals are avoided. 60 kilonewton, okay. I just avoid decimals. I don't like the decimals, 0.333, 0.667 like that. But when you solve a question, you have no choice. Okay. UDL not given. See, I am not given UDL. UDL is, this is anything, something like 20 kilonewton per meter. 20 into 6 into 3 plus 60 into 8 plus 25 minus 100 divided by 6. VB 127.5 kilonewton minus 60 minus 20 into 6. VA 52.5 kilonewton. This distance is not given. Take whatever you want. I'll check the answer. 20 into 6 into 3 plus 100 minus 60 into 2 minus 25 divided by 6. 52.5, correct. Now, a question on left overhang. This time I will see that negative reaction will come. Okay. Anti-clockwise couple of 250 kilonewton meter here. And then full UDL of 30 kilonewton per meter. No, not 30. 30 means positive will come. 6 kilonewton per meter. This distance is 4 meter. This is 10 meter. And another one point load here of 20 kilonewton at 3 meter from here. This is A, this is B. Answer. I am so sure that your VB will come negative. VA will come positive. If I take note about A, BA, 20 into 3 plus 6 into 10 into 5 minus 250 minus 6 into 4 into 2 divided by 10. No, it is coming still positive. Yes, it's coming positive. So I have to change the loading. It's coming positive. Very small value is coming. Okay, I will do one thing. Instead of 250, 400 kilonewton meter. Okay, now it will tally. I want negative for some reason. 6 into 10 into 5 plus 20 into 3 minus 6 into 4 into 2 minus 400. Yes, now coming negative. Divided by 10. 8.8 kilonewton. 6 into 14 plus 20 plus 8.8. VA 112.8. But I'm going to check the answer. 6 into 14 into 7 plus 20 into 7 plus 400 divided by 112.8. Okay, last question now. One important question. Sufficient. There is a limit for everything. One couple here. One couple here. One more couple here. One point load here. And UDL here. And another UDL here. That's all. Critical last question. Little more work. 10 kN per meter. This UDL is 8 kN per meter. This couple is 20 kilonewton meter. This couple is 40 kilonewton meter. This is 50 kilonewton meter. This point load is 80 kilonewton. This distance is 2 meter. This I will take once again 10 meter, my favorite number. This I will take 3 meter. And this distance I will take 4 meter. Couple distance from here I will take 3 meter. Last question, AB, over. Next class I am going for cantilever. In case I feel more questions required, for those who go for the notes, I will write there. Okay, over. 80 into 4 plus 40 plus 8 into 3 into 11.5 plus 50 minus 10 into 2 minus 20 divided by 10. 64.6 kilonewton, VB. This is the, I take moment about A. Minus 80, minus 24, minus 20, VA. 59.4 kilonewton. Now, check the answer from that side. 80 into 6 minus 40 plus 10 into 2, 10 into 2 into 11 plus 20 minus 8 into 3 into 1.5 minus 50 divided by 10, 59.4 kilonewton. Perfectly correct. See how I calculate that one. I see when I took moment, sometime I take clockwise, sometime anti-clockwise positive, whatever I feel like. Because for me there is no sign confusion. But you stick to one concept and solve. Over 105. Furthermore question, sufficient. See, I have covered so many reactions, so much exercise are given. Therefore, next I will go for cantilever. Last class. And that will be class number, lecture number 100 for part B. Immediately, I will either start friction or centroid and moment of inertia. Of course, remember, structural engineering, centroid moment of inertia is topmost important. Okay, thank you.